I have a Power Back Generator GT5250-1 with a Tecumseh 10 horsepower engine. It will only start, briefly, if I use starter fluid. I have cleaned the carb, replaced the spark plug, put in new oil and gas. Did everything as before, only it will not turn over unless I use starter fluid.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. If it will only start when sprayed, the issue is with the fuel system. The carb is not supplying fuel to the cylinder on its own. This normally means there is something still inside the carb jets. Use a small wire to run through all the jets of the carb. Use carb cleaner and compressed air if available also.
Okay. Thanks.
Let me know if you need anything else, as I am here for you. Please remember to rate me, as I strive to do my best, and your rating helps me to achieve this.
Took the carburetor apart, again, cleaned out everything, put it back together, and it still will not stay running. Will only turn over with starter fluid.
Does this unit have a fuel pump, or does the line come from tank to the carb?
Has a line coming from the tank. I have checked the fuel filter and it's good. I'm getting fuel to the carburetor. I've tried to adjust the metal tang on the float, but started getting an overflow of gas to the carburetor. I adjusted it back to where I originally found it and no overflow.
If you have fuel to the carb, but it is not getting into the cylinder, that main jet is the only thing that allows fuel into the engine to start and run. I will OPT out and see if another expert may be able to assist you, as cleaning the carb and running a small wire through the jet is the only thing that can be done to get fuel through to the cylinder. Do you have an air compressor you can use a blowgun and blow air through the center jet?
I only have canned compressed air.
Did you use it to blow through the center jet? Do you have a bread tie you can use the wire part to push through the jet? You should be able to push it into the carb, where you will be able to see it in the intake part of the carb. Once you spray the carb, it starts. Can you keep it running if you keep spraying the carb?
Haven't tried to keep spraying the carb with the starter fluid. We'll try that too.
Let me know if you can.
Just tried continuously spraying starter fluid, it keeps going until we stop spraying. Almost used a whole can of starter fluid. I'm going to take the carburetor apart again and see what I can do with the jet. Thanks. I have took the carburetor apart, again, and cleaned and sprayed carburetor cleaner and compressed air, and used a small wire in every little hole that I could find. Put everything back together carefully and placed it back on the engine. Went back through the starting procedure, using starter fluid, and still as before. It will turn over with the starter fluid, but will not keep running. Just for the record, everything that you suggested, except for the continuous spraying of the starter fluid, I have tried before I reached out for help. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.